Today I'm cleaning out my keyboard. I removed all the keys. I made a chart showing me which keys go where on the keyboard. I'm pulling off all the keys. I'm just taking a screwdriver and just popping them up. Like that. Fling it. Oh well, it just fell on the ground. But yeah, look at how much dirt is in there. It's terrible. And luckily I can remove the keys, because it would be nice to do a thorough cleaning job on this, which I've been doing. I already did these keys. These keys look like brand new now. I removed all of them, and I cleaned underneath them, cleaned the keyboard, dusted it out. And yeah, I gotta get working, so I'll catch you later. Well, as you see here, all the keys have been loosened and removed off the keyboard. And now I'm going to take a Q-tip and just go in between the key mounts just to get all the loose gunk out. Catch you back later. As you see here, the bottom of the keyboard is all cleaned up. I used a Q-tip in between the keys, and I also used some isopropyl alcohol on a rag, and I would use a screwdriver to clean in between the key tabs, like that, because there was a lot of gunk in there. It was pretty bad. And now I'm cleaning up the keys with isopropyl alcohol, and I'm putting them back in their proper places. Hold on. Done. Keyboard looks now perfect. Looks like brand new. It was disgusting before. Perfect. And that concludes this video. Bye.